You ever found yourself jumping between pages in your workbook just to monitor a specific cell? Well, here is an Excel feature that will change your life. Let's say you're working on a large workbook with multiple sheets. You have a sales sheet with data currently located across rows 3 to 50 for each region. Your total annual sales in pieces for all regions are calculated in cell H7. On a separate sheet named Inventory, you're tracking product stock and planning for future purchases. But you need to keep an eye on the total sales figure from the sales sheet while doing this in order to keep track if enough products are still available. Now here is where Excel's Watch window comes into play. Go to the Formulas tab. Click on Watch window in the Formula Auditing group. A new window pops up. Click Add Watch, and then navigate to the Sales sheet and select cell H7, where your total sales are calculated. Now, even if you switch back to the Inventory sheet or any other sheet, the total sales figure from the Sales sheet stays visible in the Watch window. You are also not limited to one cell either. Need to track total North Region sales as well? Just add Watch, select H3 from the Sales sheet, and it's there in the window too. There you have it. Oh, before I forget, make sure to share this post and follow us for daily Excel tips and tricks.